What is a crypto wallet, really? If you're new to crypto, you've probably heard this phrase, not your keys, not your coins. But what does it actually mean? And what exactly is a crypto wallet? Most beginners imagine a wallet as something that holds their crypto, like a digital purse or bank account. But that's not quite right. A crypto wallet doesn't actually store your coins. Instead, it stores your private keys, the secret codes that prove ownership of your crypto on the blockchain. Those keys are the only way to access your funds. Lose them? Your crypto is gone. Share them. Anyone can take your assets. So if you're planning to buy, store, or use crypto, understanding wallets is absolutely essential. In this video, we'll walk you through what a wallet is and how it works, the difference between hot and cold wallets, how to choose the right one for you, and the safest way to store your crypto in 2025 and beyond. Let's make crypto wallets simple. Just before we begin, a quick reminder, crypto sits are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. How crypto wallets actually work, simplified. A crypto wallet isn't like your regular wallet. It doesn't hold coins inside it, it holds the keys to your coins. Here's how it works. Every wallet has two essential parts, a public key, like your bank account number, and a private key, like your PIN code. The public key is used to receive crypto, you can share this with anyone. The private key is what allows you to send or spend your crypto, and this must be kept secret. These keys control access to your crypto on the blockchain. If you lose your private key, or someone else gets it, your funds can be lost or stolen. There's no reset password button in crypto. The wallet software or device simply stores and secures those keys, and gives you a user interface to interact with the blockchain. That's it. There are no actual coins in the wallet. Your crypto lives on the blockchain, and your keys are what prove you own it. That's why crypto wallets are all about security, control, and access, not storage in the traditional sense. Hot wallets versus cold wallets, what's the difference? Crypto wallets come in two main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Understanding the difference is key to staying safe. Hot wallets are software-based and always connected to the internet. This makes them convenient, but slightly less secure. Examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, and Kepler. Hot wallets are easy to set up and use. They're great for day-to-day transactions and trading. They're free and accessible on mobile and desktop. However, they're also vulnerable to hacks, phishing, and malware. If your phone or computer is compromised, your funds can be too. Hot wallets are best for active users who move or trade small amounts of crypto regularly. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are hardware-based or fully offline. They're not connected to the internet, which makes them nearly impossible to hack remotely. Examples include Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T, paper wallets, and air-gapped devices. Cold wallets are extremely secure for long-term storage. They're immune to most online attacks and ideal for large amounts of crypto. But they're less convenient for everyday use. They require backup and physical protection. And hardware wallets cost money. Cold wallets are best for long-term holders and serious investors. Examples of popular hot wallets, 2025 overview. Let's look at some of the most trusted and widely used hot wallets in the crypto space today, all beginner-friendly, free, and easy to set up. MetaMask works as a browser extension and mobile app. It supports Ethereum and most EVM-compatible chains like BNB, Polygon, and Arbitrum. It's very popular with DeFi and NFT users and can connect to hardware wallets for extra security. Trust Wallet is a mobile-only wallet by Binance. It supports 70-plus blockchains and thousands of tokens. It has a built-in browser for dApps and staking and a strong reputation. Coinbase Wallet is separate from your Coinbase exchange account. It's non-custodial, supports Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and more, and has seamless dApp integration. Phantom is a simple browser wallet tailored for the Solana ecosystem. It's great for SPA tokens, NFTs, and to fire on Solana. These hot wallets are great for everyday use, but remember, you're responsible for your keys. Top cold wallet options, and how they work. If you're serious about security, especially for long-term holdings, cold wallets are your best friend. Ledger Nano X and Nano S Plus are hardware wallets from Ledger, the market leader. They support 1,000 plus crypto assets, have secure chips, work with the Ledger Live app, and can connect to MetaMask for DeFi access. Trezor Model T and Trezor One are hardware wallets by Satoshi Labs. They're open source, highly respected, and work with Trezor Suite for asset management. Paper wallets are printed or written offline keys. They're very secure but risky for beginners due to the chance of physical damage or loss. Air-gapped devices are used by institutions. They never touch the internet and are extremely secure. How to set up a wallet safely, step by step. Setting up your first crypto wallet isn't hard, but doing it safely is crucial. Start by downloading the wallet from the official source. Only use verified links and double-check URLs. Create a new wallet. Set a strong password and you'll be shown your seed phrase. Back up the seed phrase by writing it down and storing it offline in multiple locations. Never store it online. You'll then be asked to confirm the phrase in the correct order. Your wallet is now ready. You can start receiving crypto, exploring dApps, or importing tokens. How to use a wallet: sending, receiving, and swapping crypto. To receive crypto, open your wallet, click Receive, and copy your public address. Share it to receive funds. To send crypto, click Send, paste the recipient's address, choose the amount, set the fee, and confirm. To swap crypto, select the Swap tab, choose the tokens, review fees, and confirm. This uses DEXs like Uniswap in the background. Tips to keep your wallet safe from hacks and mistakes. Never share your seed phrase. No one should ever ask for it. Store your recovery phrase offline, in a fireproof safe if possible. Use a dedicated device for crypto. Avoid everyday phones for large amounts. Watch for fake apps and phishing. Always verify URLs. Enable all security features like 2FA, biometrics, and PINs. Use a cold wallet for large amounts. Keep all wallet software up to date, choosing the right wallet for you, based on your goals. If you're a beginner explorer, start with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Phantom. If you're an active trader or DeFi user, try MetaMask with a ledger, or wallets like Rabby or Kepler. If you're a long-term holder, go for Ledger or Trezor. If you're a casual investor, Coinbase Wallet or Exodus may be enough. Common mistakes beginners make with crypto wallets. Losing the seed phrase is the most common and costly mistake. Back it up properly. Falling for phishing scams, always check the source before clicking. Sending crypto to the wrong address, double-check everything. Sending coins to the wrong network, always confirm blockchain compatibility. Not updating wallet software, updates fix vulnerabilities. Keeping too much in hot wallets, use cold storage for larger holdings. Conclusion: take control of your crypto future. Understanding crypto wallets isn't just about protecting your coins, it's about owning your financial future. Crypto gives you full control, but that also means full responsibility. Choose the right wallet. Protect your keys. Stay informed. Subscribe to CryptoPulse for clear, trustworthy insights.